wonderful family, I'm back again. It's your girl Katerina Godi Baby TV. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post any video, you will be the first to be notified. I beg, if you know say you dey new to my channel, not fail to hit that button when you dey there. Anytime when I upload any video, you go be the first when they go notify. So today I'm back again. Oh God, my people, today this story I will just knock and nail. This story na concern Ishoma, Choma, my love. Oh, you go wear designer. I am looking for my love. Oh, Shoma, my baby, Davido. Davido, what is going on? Wetin dey go on? Like wetin dey go on? And fans, my people, Mona Lee Shoma alone. Mona Lee Shoma may enjoy her marriage. Every small Choma, wetin Choma do now? I dey go, my people, with my own nails as I just see am. I dey go through Instagram, I can see some kind of posts. You understand? I can see say people, the fans, they write, why Shoma go wear down this thing? Why Shoma go wear this one? Why Shoma go wear that one? Waiting. Mona leave the game, she wear her dress. Now she know how she want to dress. Moreover, she's a mother. Now she know how she want to dress. This one go say, why she, Mona not call you, make fans not call push her come out for her matrimonial home. Mona not call you zona mat, say push and come out. This one do this one. Why I can see one way person can still comment for inside this girl posted because she called Davido my husband. Wetin dey wrong? What is going on? Wetin go wrong with that comment, my husband? Somebody call reply and say why I go call her husband, whether I don't marry am. Wetin be your business? Wetin be your business for inside? Wetin be your business? As in, wetin be your business? I don't understand. Mona leave the game, make she enjoy her marriage. Mona leave am. Mona leave am, make you enjoy her marriage. Tomorrow time, Shoma, this one, Shoma, if you make pian, Shoma, if you make pian, Shoma, if you make cry, Shoma, wait till Shoma do now. Oh, now we be fans, now they push and they tell word. Make fans not call push you, come up for your matrimonial home. May not call push you. Now so I go say this one, the baby not be this one, oh, baby now not be that one. Mona leave am. Mona leave am. Mr. Davido, aka Assurance Man. May you go you don't already do everything finish. You don't give you waiting you define. May you do you na say 2020 don't January don't come up, February don't come up. Waiting you they wait for? You want me if be two, I be waiting. Just tell us, I bet you want me be two before you go do and make fans your rest. That to the tag the poor, no, not use poor for her because if they rich, that to the tag the rich woman. Then the tag tomorrow, Shoma, next tomorrow, Shoma. Certain person call comment, may you say as fans smart, may you say as their mad bad. Person call comment say cloth where Shoma wear, say be like cloth where they go they sell it for a balogu. Hey, my people. Mona leave her, even though say na balogu, even say na aloko, even though say na chinese, Mona leave her make it wear. But Shoma, you still do sha? See gown where you wear. See gown where you wear. You don't see that. Look, this picture one I put for the screen. So you don't see the way that lady take dress. You don't see the way it dress. Not be say your gown not dey okay. At least see your knee. See your knee. Now make the go they talk, waiting they're not supposed to talk. I know say fans so see their body food, you not go fit please all of the finish. You not go fit please all of them, you not go fit please all of them. It better you just include them, not even the answer them because I see your comment for there say waiting concern you not be my husband. My dear, not even the answer they just it's a pay deft ear. Pay deft ear because fans, you get where they go push you rich. You go unnecessary thing go they make you the anoint for the video. Unnecessary things when be say no matter things that are not even body to even say things are not even you get angry any small thing maybe your husband just talk to you now still your husband don't pull ring for the hand he don't pull that engagement he don't first you understand assurance now he don't assure you say time but we dey wait because now 3 months we dey so you understand at least May go do one assurance master, go and do this thing and let and Shama wetin I wan still tell you. Don't listen to your fans because they are the person that will that in fact they will not tell you the truth. They will never, fans can never tell you truth. All they know about just to talk here, later they will still post it online. The one you will still write, they will be the one that will customize it. They will still post it online again. And this is what she say. See, don't even listen to. If you come across comments like that, ignore them because you are not. In fact, you are not in their shoe again. They are not in your shoe because they are just your followers. Okay, just ignore. They're not the answer there for Instagram. They're not even the answer their comments. If you just some kind time you get some kind message where you go see for your wall. Just to make the person pepe then gagana ye pepe then you go press like, you go press the comment. If you see the comment a negative comment, just press like or put love. The person go say this person opposite see the comment when I comment for her, see what he puts. You understand? No, they when I come across that thing where person say see clothes where you wear say na balogu, say na balogu you show mama I really answer na balogu you really buy am. I beg you, let me know na balogu. Because the person say see cloth no you wear be like balogu, say na balogu you for go buy because me no say cloth the cheap for balogu. So I beg if you want to see that lady, see the lady wey stand beside you wey wear purple gown, you know see the way the dress in mature. So people are expecting you to wear something like that. People are expecting you to dress mature like that. But you call your for your fans and I made the talk go yeah, but not mind them. Not mind them at all. No, you even get their time because their words go get where they go push you reach. Any small to you the song go they ask Davido wetin dey happen since wey Shoma your boy wetin dey happen wetin concern na pop nose wetin concern na all those follow fans wetin concern na for inside una leave them. They don't marry, they don't born. In fact he don't born the king. The king before they say the king has not yet welcome. Now he don't welcome round come. Wetin una come see the pump nose for? Una leave them. He dressed with balogo. He no concern na. He dressed with chinezo. He no concern na. He dressed with abamedo. He no concern na. Na his body wear and put. I don't know why na you carry the thing just the shout and Shoma wear balogo. Shoma do this one. Shoma do that one. 1 month. Me I still talk and say 1 month don't pass. 2 months don't pass. 3 months don't pass. Because Davido promise 2020. 3 months will go. So what did they happen? Davido assurance master. I bet you try me, you just go do the normal thing. Everybody rest. I bet just try. At least you don't bring the king come. What did they call the wait for? King don't already did it. What did they wait for? I bet do one. Davido, you get the money. If you want do one today, you go do one. You get the money. If you want do one, not the waste the get time. Go do one. They say when get belle, they know they. We get belle, they not they put they not go they pay that. No, she don't born, don't they reach 3 months. At least if now person when want help her hold the baby, people the fans they go help her hold the baby. You put money for her and dance together. Me I not even they see and say they carry the omomo like that. And you understand? But at least wanna do the thing make come up for ground. Now say they go they say wetin dey happen. Fans go talk go here. This one go talk go here. This one go say Balogu. This one go say Onisha. This one go say Ibome. This one go say Chineze. I beg. Mba. Davido. Baya. Go and do it. Okay? Go and do it. So my people, I just come across those videos. I was like, wow, fans are really pushing people, eh? Fans they push people. They go push you and so you go confused. And Davido, I want to tell you, if you go party, no, they use until they tap Shoma boss like that. No, they use until they tap a boss like that. See this picture now. No, they use until they tap a boss like that. They not good. We not say na your own. It don't be your own. Not be say you come they use her until they tap and like say na one kind thing. It not good. It be like everybody knows say na your own. But if you get where you will stay, give her that respect. Not be say you Shoma say. You at least you are a girl. You Davido, I not say na your husband. At least you know be say you all tap ample like that for public like that. You know mature now. At least Shoma na educate person. You are still educated. Shoma is still educated. So you guys know this thing I'm talking about. Don't be tapping it as if Shoma is I don't know. I don't want to use rough word. No. I know Ampo is very beautiful. It's very fine. It's very nice. So don't If you want to tap it in your room, okay? Don't go to party you. And Shoma, you say for your fans, truth not say me, they not say. I go see tell you the truth. You see this lady when stand beside you, not see the way they dress. So now your husband, brother marriage, they go. You're not supposed to wear that kind of cloth. But fans, I bet Mona leave the Shoma alone and the video me they enjoy their life, okay? She already put that king for there. There is nothing you guys can do. There is nothing you guys can talk today that will make that hand. So the king is already born. Not that time they will say the king are not yet born. The king are not yet born. He's already born now. So what we are expecting for them in this 2020, for them to get the marriage, everything close. Not be say Shoma go wear Chinese, and I go call right hand for Instagram say you wear Chinese. If you wear a barmaid, and I go right hand say you wear a barmaid. If you wear balogun now go now what I say. If you wear balogun, they'll say you don't go see. You guys should leave these people alone. They have already married. Leave Shoma alone, okay? Shoma is a married woman. That's why Davido have not paid on it, but she's already married, okay? And small time I go talk Regina. I say see come and when person come and say now so one bag now Regina they carry for 10 dress when you don't dress. What it concern now? Like you don't use a different cloth take dress for 20 times. If they use one bag, it not concern now. Person walk out talk. He say he step that is second go big because of that one where they comment. Person go the step wife. Ned step wife go buy bag when what how many million give Regina. Regina told her say no see money to buy her. You know say get some kind cloth when person they like. He get some kind cloth when person go your like he go busy now let that cloth he go one make they repeat on. I never see her. I be never put on her. He get one cloth when I buy 2015 I say buy that cloth. I no agree to wear that cloth. Not be say money why I say buy and say na say it cost me be say no let me throw it because I too love the cloth. If I go where they sell the cloth, I know they say exactly that cloth they buy again. So it get wetin person dey like. If be say na that bag be a favorite bag, I don't know whether na favorite be na favorite. Na it be a best cloth. Guys, leave her, let her be. Not the pump nose for his side. Tomorrow Regina, next tomorrow Shoma, tomorrow Davido, you all still dey your body. Go and put money in Shoma head. Less people forget about the marriage. Now you guys are seeing relationship. That's why the king is there, okay? I love you guys. Stay tuned till I come your way again. My name is Katarina Golden Baby TV. Assurance, we are waiting for you. After this month, we hear good news. And so they see carry fake rumors say you don't marry him. No know you say na where you na go. So hit that button for me. Turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post any video, you will be the first to be notified. I love you guys. Stay tuned till I come your way again. Anything when I say for you, say maybe I can't no update again. I still they come back on update to my people. I still come back on update you guys. Okay, stay tuned till I come your way again. Bye bye till I come your way.